Area of a shaded region. On our first figure, we have two circles, the purple and the blue circle. The purple with 8.8 centimeter as its diameter, and the blue circle with 4.4 centimeter, again, its diameter. Let's solve first the purple circle. Since it's in diameter, so which means she needs to convert it into radius. So that will be 8.8 divided by 2, and that's equivalent to 4.4 centimeter. Now, the formula of the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Once again, for the value of the pi, we're going to use 3.14. Now let's substitute. So pi is equal to 3.14 with the radius of 4.4 cm bracket square. Next, we are going to simplify the radius with the power of 2. Then just copy 3.14 and then 4.4 square or centimeter square, that will equivalent to 19.36 cm square. Next is to multiply them, and the area will become 60.79 cm square into 2 decimal places. Next, with the blue circle with a diameter of 4.4, so once again we need to change it into radius. So 4.4 divided by 2 is equivalent to 2.2 centimeter. Now we can use the area formula of a circle, which is area is equal to pi r square. The pi is 3.14 and the radius is 2.2 cm, then square. Next is to simplify once again your radius with the power of 2. Copy once again the 3.14. So 2.2 centimeters square, that will be 4.84 cm square. And then multiply, that will result to 15.197 cm square. Now since we're using 2 decimal places, this will become 15.20 cm square. So since we are calculating for the shaded region, which is right here, we are going to subtract 60.79 centimeters square minus 15.20 centimeters square, and that is equal to 45.59 cm square. So that is the area of the shaded region. Next, on our second figure, we have a square and a circle with a side length of 3.4 centimeter and also will serve as the diameter of your circle. Let's solve first the area of the square. The formula for the area of a square is side square. Now our given is 3.4 centimeter as the side square, so that would 3.4 centimeters square, and that is equivalent to 11.56 centimeters square. So that will be the area of your square. Next, for the area of the circle, now since it is a diameter, so we need to change it into radius. So that will be 3.4 divided by 2, and that is equivalent to 1.7 centimeter as the radius of your circle. Now we can substitute now to the formula. Area is equal to pi r square. and the value of our pi is 3.14 times the radius, which is 1.7 cm bracket square. Let us simplify first once again the radius. So copy 3.14 and 1.2 cm bracket square, that is equivalent to 2.89 centimeters square. Then multiply 3.14 times 2.89, that is equivalent to 9.07 centimeters square into 2 decimal place. So we are now going to subtract the area of the square, which is 11.56 cm square, minus the area of the circle, which is 9.07 cm square, and that is equivalent to 2.49 cm square.